I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to remove a photo now. Open Google Maps while signed into the account you used, or that can report the image. Search the place or drop a pin, then tap the location marker and switch to the Photos tab to see uploaded images. Once you spot the offending photo, tap it to open full view, then choose the three-dot menu or the report flag. This starts the removal workflow and lets you explain why the image should be reviewed by Google. Now submit a focused report so reviewers can act. Select Report a Problem and pick the correct reason: privacy, intimate content, copyrighted work, or inaccurate depiction, because proper categorization speeds review. Write a concise explanation: what's wrong, who's harmed, and when it was taken. Attach screenshots or ID if required, then confirm your contact email so Google can update you. Once submitted, you'll receive a reference ID. Make sure to save it for follow-up and to track the review status. Complete the process by monitoring your email and the Maps report status. Reviews often take a few days but can be longer. If Google denies removal, don't stop. Appeal with clearer evidence or alternative reason codes and include any new documentation. You can also message the uploader directly asking them to delete the photo or request that Google apply a face or license plate blur for privacy. Troubleshooting tip: if status stalls, reply to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.